Here I have ASUS ZenFone AR, and let me show you how to use the fingerprint protection on the following device. So basically, let's start by using the home screen. Let's tap the apps icon right here. Then you have to find and select the settings. Scroll down to personal, and here let's simply choose fingerprint. Let's tap manage fingerprints. So here you can read the information that you can use fingerprint to unlock your device. All you need to do is add some backup method, some backup screen lock method to use the fingerprint. So let's tap continue. So let's decide that you would like to use pattern, pin or password. In my case it could be pattern. You can require also pattern to start the device, but in my case let me choose no thanks. Let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue. Let's do it again, choose confirm. And here you can show all notification content. You can also hide sensitive notification content or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me choose the first one, tap done. So let's tap next. Let's put your finger on your sensor. So let's decide which fingerprint you would like to save. In my case, it could be a thumb. Let's tap a couple of times on my sensor. As you can see, the progress bar is on the screen. Let's just repeat the place and lift it a couple of times, tap continue. Let's use different areas. And that's it. The adding is completed. You can add another one or you can tap done. And now if you would like to, you can use your lock just by pressing the power key. And now if you would like to unlock your phone, you can simply use the pattern. Or you may do the same thing by using the fingerprint. Let's just tap it. And that's it. You can unlock your phone just by using your finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.